display flying all over the globe. He also runs his own aerobatic academy in Yorkshire, where he trains the next generation of competition pilots. Now, I don't actually have a sequence supplied by them. I shall have a word with Michael when I see him during the week. These are two extra aircraft, the very latest operating in the two-seat aerobatic market from the German aircraft designer and producer Walter Extra, first flown in 2000. Flying for the ice cream company. Two-seat bubble canopy. That could be a two-seat bubble canopy. There's a two-seat aircraft with a bubble canopy. Got 350 horse. So it can get up to 250 miles an hour. The stall speed is way, way back at just 50, where you're going to see probably less speed than the stall speed. That's a nice tight formation. Typing, heading up the G. There's a lot of crowd wind that they're going to have to battle with. Although that's wondrous, that's neat. What would be really clever if you could get different colours in there and you could spell out words in Morse code. But then of course you probably spell out the wrong word, but I think that's your imagination. Changing direction from the A-axis to the B-axis, now on the A-axis left and right, B-axis is to and from us from the north to the south. Changing direction on the top of the loop, back onto the B-axis. Very pretty display. Actually using very little of the airspace that we've got here, keeping neatly in the display box. Now to work up to this display takes an awful lot of practice. One, you've got to be very good, I nearly said a good word there, very good at what you're doing, i.e. aerobatics, be totally comfortable in IG, positive and negatives. Then you've got to be good at formation flying, and then you've got to put the two together, and then you've got to practice, 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 and then you've got to go in front of an examiner who will see how good it is, who will be very, very critical if necessary to get up to this sort of standard display here at Farnborough and the other displays they do around the world. These sort of things don't just come together overnight. over, tumble on the way down. You can see the good rate of roll, carbon fibre wing. Do your series of rolls, boot full of rudder, and tumbling down. Yep. Have a stick in whichever corner of the cockpit you can imagine. On a gyroscopic key, rattling the eyeballs about. Flying is almost running out of puff. Now in a spin on the way down, left hand spin. Stick forward, move the rudder nicely out on the display line.